Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Tacoma headlight bulb. First, gather all your necessary tools like a 10mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. Then, locate the headlight assembly you need to work on, usually found at the front corner of the vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to accessing the bulb. You'll need to remove the two bolts that secure the headlight assembly to the vehicle's frame. Once those are out, gently pull the entire assembly forward. It might feel a bit snug, as there are usually some clips holding it in place. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the housing by pressing the tab and pulling it free. With the assembly out, replacing the bulb is straightforward. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. When handling the new bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the socket, aligning the tabs, and then twist it clockwise until it's securely in place. This ensures a proper connection. Now it's time to put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to the headlight assembly, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, making sure all the clips engage properly. Don't forget to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two bolts to secure the assembly. Test your new headlight to confirm it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.